Max, how can you be yawning? You're working so hard supervising. It's a tough job keeping an eye on Dad. Look at this. Dad's the one that's working. He's repainting the garage doors, finishing up door number 3. You guys have got the hard position of just making sure that he's doing it right. Of course, you can't just sit on the driveway, so Mom had to bring out your beds for you so that you're comfy. The supervising job's really tough, isn't it? What do you think, Max? What do you think, baby? Maxie, Daddy doing a good job? Is he doing a good job? What do you think? You looking over there? There he is. Look at that. Hard at work Great Danes. Not sure if this is what everyone had in mind when they first decided they were a working breed, but they're good watchdogs. They like to watch stuff happen. There you go, guys. Enjoy your afternoon, hard at work. Look at you. Good girl, Kate. Happy Great Danes. Katie. Pretty girl. Yeah, you keep an eye on Dad. Make sure he doesn't miss a spot. Love you guys.